Stress is only a temporary cause of hair loss. This is one of those yes and no answers. So short-term stress, things like a stressor, psychological stressor, physiological stressor, can cause what's called telogen effluvium, where the hair falls out prematurely. That generally will be resolved within 6 months after the stressor. Now, chronic stress, which is something that many people suffer from when they have other medical conditions or just a really stressful lifestyle, can contribute to hair loss. So short-term stress generally is going to turn around naturally within 6 months unless there's an underlying condition. But long-term stress is the one that we want to watch out about because it sets up an inflammatory response around the whole body, and it does affect the follicles, it does affect the whole body. So if you're under acute chronic stress, that's when you want to be careful about potentially losing hair and it being a little bit more of a longer term. Either way, it can be resolved. There are things that you can do. I'll share those with you later, but long-term stress, short-term stress, no stress is good, but shorter term generally turned around faster.